Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PSP stick drift issue. So basically what you'll need to do is go to system settings, as you can see, then go to system settings and system information right here, and basically right here what we need to do is hold this analog stick up and rotate for the 30 seconds around the clockwise, and this should calibrate your stick, the analog stick, and this should solve your issue. If that doesn't help, what you will need to do is basically remove the faceplate. So there are two screws, there are a couple of screws, and right here. And then what we need to do is basically remove the faceplate and clean the pins right here and check if that helps you. So that's how you fix the stick drift issue on your PSP. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.